Amazon is one of the most confided in online organizations. As pioneers in the field on web retailing, Amazon has the web-based business innovation and the traffic to offer your items to a worldwide market. In case you're a web-promoting amateur, immediately read through after highlights that Amazon offers for item deals. Amazon features. To give you a vibe for the site, let us first investigate the essential highlights offered by Amazon. Don't hesitate to visit the site at the present time, do a quest for any item and see what shows up on your screen. Highlights to take note. Results consistently contain an expert photograph or a realistic of the item. The value is made unmistakable and it is joined with an offer, for example free transporting. Notice how the sum that is spared off of retail is made obvious. This is a built-up publicizing methodology. Amazon is mentioning to individuals what the item is worth and that it's directly selling for not exactly the sum that it is worth. Amazon makes reference to the quantity of things that are available and the evaluated time that the item will take to find a good pace. Customers are increasingly disposed to purchase a thing when they know that the item's amount is constrained. Time desire is additionally a helpful element for most clients and merchants. Amazon utilizes cross-selling and upselling. This alludes to an idea of selling that depends on item similitude or inquiring as to whether they would to buy another item that praises the first that they purchased. For example, at the point when a client thinks about one item, Amazon makes a notice of another item that may likewise intrigue the client. A look inside highlight is offered to clients who are looking for books. This lifelike element permits the client to have a more critical take a gander at the book. Audits. The article review area portrays the item in incredible detail. Amazon likewise permits clients to audit an item. These audits are normally dependable, reasonable and act like tributes about the item. A wide range of criticism can be helpful for the vendor. Included extras. Amazon incorporates different sorts of strategically pitching and intelligent gadgets, for example client conversations, a listomania include, wiki info and so forth. Every one of these additional items can be utilized to make enthusiasm around explicit items or subjects. What can and can't be sold on Amazon? Amazon licenses dealers to put their items in the accompanying classifications: books, music, DVD, video, VHS, automotive, baby, camera and photo, electronics, everything else, health and personal care, home and garden, musical instruments, office products, software, sports and outdoors, tools and hardware and video games. It would be ideal if you note that you should get an earlier approval so as to sell in the accompanying classes: apparel, beauty, cell phones and accessories, gourmet, grocery, jewelry and watches, personal computers, in electronics classification, shoes and accessories and toys and games. The accompanying items can't be sold on Amazon: magazines and newspapers, adult toys, gift cards and gift certificates, guns and ammunition, photo processing, prescription medication, and tobacco and alcohol. How everything functions. Enlistment. For you to begin selling your item on Amazon, the primary thing you have to do is register. This is a basic procedure that expects you to round out a short online structure to enroll as an individual vendor. On the off chance that you believe that you should process in excess of 40 requests for each month, you should enroll as a pro merchant. Transfer product inventory. Amazon has made it extremely basic for you to transfer your item stock. After your enrollment, you have 3 alternatives for submitting data that is identified with your item. Option 1, use the Add a Product highlight on Seller Central to make each item in turn. On the off chance that you are new to Seller Central, all you have to know is that it is web interface used to manage all parts of selling on Amazon.com. You can utilize this apparatus to include item data, make stock updates and later on, handle arranges just as installments. However, Alternative 2, make utilization of the Seller Desktop. This is a free and easy to use work area application that you can use to include items in mass or independently to your stock. Choice 3, if you need to submit data about numerous items all the while, utilize the stock documents to make various items. Your products get spotted. By posting your items on Amazon, they arrive at a large number of potential clients day in and day out. Amazon's traffic presently likewise turns into your traffic. Your product gets purchased. Purchasing an item from Amazon isn't just helpful, yet additionally extremely straightforward and snappy. Your item is effectively bought at the snap of a mouse. Delivery. Basically, you are responsible for delivering your item to its new proprietor. Amazon will inform you about the buy by means of email when a request has been put. You should simply pack and ship your item to the client. On the off chance that you would incline toward not to deal with this area, you could decide on the fulfillment by Amazon choice. Cash in your pocket. Amazon at that point does the installment to you through an immediate store into your ledger. You will likewise be advised about this store through email when your installment has been sent. While we are regarding the matter of cash, let me give you a layout of fees engaged with turning into a seller on Amazon. There are two significant vendor bundles that have been made accessible by Amazon. On the off chance that you are hoping to sell just a couple of items or hope to have under 40 requests set for each month, you would need to enroll as an individual dealer. The main expense required here is a per item sold charge of 99 cents. This implies you just compensation 99 cents per item that you sell. Then again, on the off chance that you imagine that you will sell substantially more than 40 items for each month, you should join to be a pro merchant. Here you ought to hope to pay a standard month-to-month membership charge of $39.99 just as a minor referral and shutting expense when your items sell. These charges are identified with your item's classification. Keep in mind, for both selling alternatives, there are no individual thing posting charges and no visa handling expenses. In the event that you are new to online business, you might be somewhat worried about doing budgetary exchanges over the web. Not to fear, however, Amazon has built up a couple of convenient highlights that may help set you mind as simplicity. Misrepresentation protection. Amazon offers its dealers a world-class installment misrepresentation insurance administration. They have formulated a framework that is written with customized notices that let you know precisely what is new with your requests and installments at some random time. Charge card facilities. Normally, Amazon is authorized to perform secure exchanges with most significant charge card suppliers.